Watch your step. Here is the photos from the side. Modern Dubai. Ba't ibang klaseng Burj Khalifa? A long hallway going up. Nag-escalator kami. Tapos tuloy-tuloy ang lakad. Paraan ang paggagawa nito. Kung paano siya ginawa. Way back long years. Along the way, marami kang makikitang mga pataas na sila. Naka-line kami. Nandun na yung first batch. Kami na yung second. At the top of the sky, Burj Khalifa. We're going out. We're in the line. 3, 2, 1. th-124th floor. What's that?
Welcome everyone to level 124. Start with the open test. Thank you. Sorry.
Nasa 124th floor na kami. It's Papa and me. Ito yung view na makikita mo sa top ng Burj Khalifa. Imar. Parang nakakabang bumaba. Na-conquer ko yung fear ko. Hindi ako natakot. Yan na siya. That is Imar view. Nandun pa yung asawa ko. Ang layo-layo. Sobrang taas. 124th floor. Start from here again. This is it. Ang pangarap na natupad. June 27, 2026. Matagal na po itong pinangarap. Pero ngayon po natupad. This is our 35 years in service to God be the glory. Ang pangarap ay makakamtan basta't maghintay ka lamang. Isa to sa pinapanalangin namin na makamarating before the end of contract and before reaching 60 years old ni Mama. It's done. Medyo kulabo kasi yung mapag. Pero mapakagandang tingnan sana kung mas malinaw pa sa rito. Yan ang dessert to. Ito yung nakikita mo sa baba. At pinipicturean tuwing dadaan ka along the highway. And this is it. Ang pakpak ni Yahweh. Lakas ko talaga kay Papa Jesus. Akalain mo hindi ako makatakot. 124 floor. Dati, 10 floor, takot na ako. Thank you, Papa Jesus. Natabunan ng pagmamahal ang takot. Ang disyerto na tinabunan para magkaroon ng malalaking building dito sa Dubai. Ito ang sinasabing Habibi went to Dubai. God's granted the prayer ni Papa na makarating dito. Kung ako mag-iisa dito, hindi ko kakayanin. Pero nandyan ang aking Habibi, kaya nakataas kami ngayon. Supposed to be, tataas kami dito sa 60 years old ko. Soon. Pero nabago ang plano kasi merong mas gusto akong puntahan sa araw na yan.
हिमालय के ऊपर है। Ano kang problema mo? Takot dumikit sa salamin. Nahihilo daw siya.
Upo muna, upo na lang ako.
Yan, mas maganda pa. Sige. Doon ka umupo sa ano? Yan. Yung pa ang natira. Hanggang sa taas pa. 163 ito eh.
Salamat! At the top of Burj Khalifa, make your own souvenir. Sister, how much I will put here? Huh? It's okay, not coin?
Yeah, it's one like this gold.
Where I will make YouTube.
This way, huh?
We have to get the souvenir, 10 dirhams. Yalla Habibi, put the 10 dirhams.
This way, huh? Yeah, this time.
Where? Sabi niya, insert the money, 10 dirhams.
And from this side.
Too much, huh? Too much pushing. It's like life. You have to work hard to claim the prize. Life is like that, na? And what is this? How can I? Like that. This is my souvenir. Thank you. From where are you? Nepal. Sukran. Sukriya. Sukriya Habibi. This is my souvenir. We're going down. Kumukot-ikot ito.
বলো কি করবো
500 থেকে 300 টাকার কোন হোটেল এটা?
এই বাসে
ওটাতেই চলে যায় না। শুধু শুধু আরো 3000 টাকা বাড়তি কেন?
না 3000 টাকা তুমি পাম জুমের কাছে পাবে তো তুমি জুমেরা বিচ পিচ সব ইজিলি যেতে পারবে আর তোমাকে আবার
আর কিছু কখন করবে?
সকালে যেতে পারো
Sobrang
এখান
bilis.
থেকে জুমেরা রিচ কত দূর?
শটার একটা স্টেশন তারপরে নেবে ট্রাম
So is that worth 3000 টাকা? Chota metro station, tram, plus the energy, plus the time.
not a word अभी तक
বেরিয়ে জিজ্ঞেস করে
Sukran. Sukran. Kam sa talatin sana. Sukran.